Electrical Globe welcomes you. This video contains information about active power. The active power is that amount of total electric power in an electric circuit which is actually consumed by load such as transformer, generator, induction motor, etc. and dissipated in the circuit. Active power does real work in the circuit and flows from source to load. Alternative names for active power are real power, true power, actual power, wattful power, useful power, and so on. Now, let us consider active power in DC circuit. In DC circuit, power supplied to the DC load is simply the product of voltage and current, that is P equals to VI. Because in DC circuit there is no phase angle difference between current and voltage. In other words, there is no frequency or power factor. Now let us consider active power in AC circuit. Active power in AC circuit is bit more complex because of the presence of phase angle difference between current and voltage. Active power in AC circuit is given as P equals to V I cos theta. But in case of pure resistive circuit, active power in AC circuit is same as like that of DC circuit. That is P equals to VI. Now let us consider formula of active power. In case of DC circuit, formula of active power is given as P equals to VI. In case of single phase AC circuit, formula of active power is given as P equals to VI cos theta. In case of three-phase AC circuit, formulas for active power are given as P equals to √3 into line voltage into line current into cos theta, or P equals to √3 into phase voltage into phase current into cos theta. Now another formula for active power is given as P equals to root S square minus Q square, or active power equals to root square of apparent power minus square of reactive power, or Kw equals to root kVA square minus kVA R square. Now let us have idea about parameters used in the formula of active power, where P equals to active power in watt, V equals to voltage in volt, I equals to current in ampere cos theta equals to phase angle difference between current and voltage or power factor. S equals to apparent power in volt ampere. Q equals to reactive power in volt ampere reactive. Now let us consider some of the features of active power. Active power is always positive and does not change its direction. It always flows from source to load. Active power is denoted by P and measured in watt, such as kilowatt, megawatt, gigawatt, and so on. Active power is measured using watt meter. Active power produces heat, mechanical power, light, and so on. I hope you guys have understand this video. Thank you guys for watching this video.